Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Somebody's trying to weld this and leave the color of the flag, and this is what he gets when he welds it. The flag becomes solid. A lot of reasons for that. So what we're going to do, and thankfully the flag, I'm going to change this nudge factor to like 50 millimeters, and I'm going to nudge this flag out of the way. If we look at this in a hairline, and one thing I would suggest is if you're a laser engraver, I would change this to RGB. But we're going to weld this, and it works what we need to do. A little hard to read for me, but you know the font, that's your pick. But we need to make an outline of this flag, so I'm going to right click and put the outline back around it. Instead of removing the color, I am going to take a rectangle and I'm going to fill it in with the Smart Fill tool, and I'm going to nudge that over to the other side of the screen, and then I'm going to fill in with another color. Doesn't really matter, but help you for the video. Now I am going to left click, right click, and I can take that flag and nudge it over to where it needs to be. We'll get rid of our rectangle. Matter of fact, we'll move, and remember I'm nudging and not moving. So now I'm going to select all this. I'm going to weld the flag into the cake topper. So that would be a cake topper. I would suggest maybe making your stick a little bit longer. But then all you have to do is nudge this back. So now you have a welded cake topper with if you're going to print this flag. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.